Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Trade Talk podcast. Today, we'll start with UK's official exit poll. Keir Starmer's Labour Party is projected to win the UK elections with a huge majority. The official exit poll predicted Labour will get 410 out of the 650 seats in the House of Commons, while Rishi Sunak's Tories are seen netting 131 seats compared with 365 seats in 2019. But it has hardly any major impact on the UK's futures as well as on pound. So I think the reaction will come only after the official results, but the overall global markets are trading with mixed gains, mixed sentiments. Global macros are at an unchanged levels. Crude is heading upward towards 87.5, and if we go through with our markets, then on the day of weekly expiry, we saw some profit taking at higher levels. From 24,400, the market came back to the levels of 24,300, and Bank Nifty was in the range of 2 to 300 points. So it was like not a big day for large cap companies, but yes, mid-size and small size companies did really well. In that, specifically defense stocks moved to the next major levels. I mean to say, there was good amount of buying interest in almost all the stocks. Mazgaon Dock and Cochin Shipyard did really well. While looking at the setup of the market, 24,200 going to act as major support. The market has left a bullish gap between 24,200 and 24,150. Ideal strategy should be to look for adding position if we see the market is dropping to the same, and we can keep stop loss at 24,100 on a closing basis for the same. For the Bank Nifty, it is at an equilibrium level, and till the Bank Nifty is not crossing 53,350, we are going to see some range bound sort of activity. But above 53,350, we are expecting Bank Nifty to move towards 53,500 and 750 in the best case scenario. Metal and mining stocks are on the radar. There we can see some activity. That's the overall view. But today specifically, we are expecting some activity in railway stocks because most of these stocks have broken their important resistance levels. Pharma stocks are also doing well, and there also we need to focus on stocks like Natco Pharma, Biocon, as well as Lupin and Sun Pharma. Lupin did well in yesterday's trading session on the back of specific news flow. It is trading above the levels of 1700, which is positive. The next important level to watch out for would be around 1800 to 1850. And finally, if we go through with some auto companies, then in that Tata Motors is showing some strength. So there we are expecting some activity. For IT companies, I think they are correcting after hitting their important resistance level. Most of these stocks are attractive if we see them available at important support levels. Wipro, Infosys, as well as Tech Mahindra should be on the watch list. There we are expecting furthermore gains. HCL Technologies did well in yesterday's trading session, so there we could see some continuation, but otherwise it's a buy if there is any correction. So broadly, the markets are in the narrow range, and buying on dips should be the final strategy. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening us. Have a great day and nice weekend to all of you.